Hello friends, welcome. Today's video we will see what is software testing and objectives of software testing. Software testing word is divided into two parts. First one is software and second one is the testing. Software means collection of programs. Then what is meant by program? Program is the set of instruction or collection of instruction. And next one is the testing. Testing is executing a system or software or program in order to identify any gaps or errors or missing requirement in proposal to the actual requirement. Next one, combined we will define the software testing. Software testing is a process of executing a program or application with the intent of finding the software bug. Testing can be defined as a process of analyzing a software term to detect the difference between the existing and required conditions and to evaluate the features of the software items. Software testing is an activity to check whether the actual result matches the accepted result and to ensure that the software system is defect free. इथे आपण एक एक्झाम्पल बघणार आहोत. एनी लँग्वेजमध्ये आपण ॲडिशनचा प्रोग्राम राईट करतो, पण आपण इथं सी लँग्वेजमधला प्रोग्राम राईट करतो. जे काय प्रायोरली सगळे आहे, फक्त आपण इथं लॉजिक डिफाईन करूया. जर मी असं लिहिलं सी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी आणि सेमिकोलॉन दिलं, तर हे जे काय लॉजिक आहे हे लॉजिक काय डिफेक्ट फ्री असणार आहे, ह्याच्यामध्ये कुठलाही डिफेक्ट नाही. पण त्या लॉजिकमध्ये जर मी सेमिकोलॉन डिफाईन करायचं मिस केलं तर ते जे काय असणार आहे तो डिफेक्ट असणार आहे त्या प्रोग्राममधला. मग ही जी काही सॉफ्टवेअर टेस्टिंग प्रोसेस आहे ही प्रोसेस काय आयडेंटिफाय करते, तो जो काय वन प्रोग्राम असेल त्या प्रोग्राममधला करेक्टनेस, कम्प्लीटनेस अँड क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोग्राम, त्याची क्वालिटी फाइंड आउट करण्याची ही एक वन प्रोसेस आहे. आणि त्याच्यामधून आपण काय चेक करतो आहे, ॲक्च्युअल रिझल्ट अँड एक्सेप्टेड रिझल्ट चेक करण्याचं वर्क करत असतो. Next, it is the process used to identify the correctness, completeness and quality of developed computer software. It is the process of executing a program or application under positive and negative condition by manual or automated means. आणि तो जो काही प्रोग्राम असेल सी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, तो त्याचं जे काही लॉजिक असेल, आपण इथं दोन व्हेरिएबल नेम घेतलेत आणि एकामध्ये रिझल्ट स्टोअर करतोय. ते जे काय असेल ते युजर मॅन्युअली पण चेकिंग करू शकतो आणि थ्रू ॲटोमेशन टूल यूज करून पण चेकिंग करू शकतो. त्या प्रोग्रामचं आपण काय काय चेक करत असतो, स्पेसिफिकेशन चेक करणार आहे, त्याची फंक्शनॅलिटी चेक करतो अँड परफॉर्मन्स चेक करणार आहे. Software testing is an investigation conducted to provide stakeholders with information about the quality of software product or service under test. Software testing can also provide an objective, independent view of the software to allow the business to appreciate and understand the risk of software implementation. Testing techniques include the process of executing a program or application with the intent of finding the software bug or error or other defect and verify that the software product is fit for use. Software testing involves the execution of software component or system component to evaluate one or more properties of interest. In general, this property indicates the extent to which the component or system under test. There are number of properties. First one, meet the requirement that guided its design and development. Second one, respond correctly to all kind of input. Third one, perform its functions within an acceptable time. Fourth one, it is sufficiently usable. Fifth one, can be installed and run in the intended environment. Here in computer system, environment means an operating environment or integrated application environment is the environment in which user run application software. The environment consists of a user interface provided by an application manager and usually an application programming interface, that is API, to the application manager. And last one property is achieve the general result its stakeholder desired. Next point is what is objectives of testing. There are number of goals and objectives of software testing. These are major objectives of software testing. First one, finding defects. In that, the defects which may get created by the programmer while developing the software or program is find and resolve. Second objective is gaining confidence and providing information about the level of quality, also to gain the confidence of the customer by providing them a quality and default free product. Next one, to prevent defect. Next one, demonstrate a given software product matching its requirement specification. Also, we make sure that the end result meet the business and user requirement to ensure that it satisfies the business requirement specifications and SRS, that is system requirement specification. Last objective, help in finalizing the software application or product against business and requirement specification.